Hello, welcome to our channel. We are back with new series of computer awareness. These MCQs are sufficient for various exams like RRB, PO, RRB, Clerk, RBI Assistant and many other state PSC. Please revise these MCQs multiple times so that it will be easy for you to recall the answer at the time of exam easily. We are coming with daily targets for exams which will be in two different videos, one for mains, one for pre, and within span of time general awareness will also be taught on this channel. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. 1. MS Word is software of blank. A. Apple. B. Android. C. Google. D. Microsoft. Answer D. 2. ___ cannot be used to work in MS Office. A. Joystick. B. Scanner. C. Light pen. D. Mouse. Answer A. 3. MS Word is ___ software. A. Web browser. B. Word processing. C. Operating system. D. Antivirus. Answer B. 4. Portrait and landscape are blank. A. Paper size. B. Page layout. X. C. Page orientation. D. Page margin. Answer C. 5. Which is not an edition of MS Word? A. MS Word 2003. B. MS Word 2007. C. MS Word 2010. D. MS Word 1020. Answer D. 6. The shortcut key to open a new file in MS Word is blank. A. CTRL plus N. B. CTRL plus C. C. CTRL plus V. D. CTRL plus X. Answer A. 7. Which of the following is word processing software? A. Avast. B. MS Word 2007. C. Google Chrome. D. Mozilla Firefox. Answer B. 8. The ___ works with the standard copy and paste commands. A. View tab. B. Paragraph dialog box. C. Office clipboard. D. All of these. Answer C. 9. Values of normal margin in inches in MS Word is blank. A. Left 0.5, right 0.5, top 0.5, bottom 0.5. B. Left minus 0.75, right minus 0.75, top 0.5, bottom 0.5. C. Left minus 1, right minus 1, top minus 1, bottom minus 1. D. Left minus 1.5, right minus 1.5, top minus 1, bottom minus 1. Answer C. 10. What is the overall term for creating, editing, formatting, storing, retrieving and printing a text document? A. Database management. B. Web design. C. Spreadsheet design. D. Word processing. Answer D. 11. What program is used in MS Word to check the spelling? A. Research. B. Word count. C. Set language. D. Spelling and grammar. Answer D. 12. Following is used for creating presentations. A. MS Word. B. MS Access. C. MS Excel. D. PowerPoint. Answer D. 13. To show the font dialog box, press ____ A. CTRL plus P. B. CTRL plus D. C. CTRL plus B. D. CTRL plus Q. Answer B. 14. File extension of Word document is A. .xls. B. .doc. C. Word. D. JPEG. Answer B. 15. Following font size is not supported by Word. A. 15. B. 72.5. C. 102.89. D. 532. Answer C. 16. A word gets selected by clicking it blank. A. Once. B. Twice. C. 3 times. D. 4 times. Answer B. 17. The number of ways you can save a Word document are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer B. 18. The shortcut command of save in Word: A. CTRL plus A. B. CTRL plus C. C. CTRL plus V. D. CTRL plus S. Answer D. 19. To view paragraph marks, clicks on the blank tab in the paragraph group, click Show Hide. A. View. B. Home. C. Page layout. D. References. Answer B. 20. A. Blank identifies a location or a selection of text that you name and identify for future reference. A. Footer. B. Bookmark. C. Header. D. Page number. Answer B. 21. In the blank, we can change the view of the document and set the zoom option. A. Home panels. B. View option toolbar. C. Ribbon. D. Title bar. Answer B. 22. Word processing package allow users to A. Edit text. B. Save text. C. Print text. D. All of the above. Answer D. 23. Which option is not available in Microsoft Office button? A. Bold. B. New. C. Save. D. Open. Answer A. 24. Blank is the change the way text swaps around the selected object. A. Text wrapping. B. Indent. C. Clip art. D. Line spacing. Answer A. 25. A major step before taking print of the document is A. To save the document. B. To set paper setting. C. To see print preview of the document. D. Both B and C. Answer D.